Google Data Studio tutorial. Here's an in-depth step-by-step guide for beginners on how to effectively use Google Data Studio to create interactive and insightful reports. Step 1. Accessing Google Data Studio. 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Data Studio website at datastudio.google.com. 2. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Step 2. Creating a new report. 1. Upon logging in, click the +blank button to initiate a new report creation. 2. A blank canvas will appear, ready for you to start building your report. 3. Choose a data source for your report. You can connect to existing data sources such as Google Analytics, Google Sheets, Google Ads, or other supported connectors. Alternatively, you can create a new data source by selecting the Create New Data Source option. Step 3. Adding data to your report. 1. Drag and drop a data source onto the canvas. This action associates your report with the selected data source. 2. Connect your data source fields to the appropriate dimensions and metrics within the report. This establishes the foundation for your visualizations and insights. Step 4. Designing your report. 1. The right-hand toolbar offers a variety of elements you can add to your report, such as text boxes, images, charts, tables, and more. 2. Arrange these elements on the canvas to create the desired layout for your report. 3. Use the formatting options in the toolbar to customize the appearance, size, color, and style of each element. Step 5. Adding charts and visualizations. 1. To add a chart or visualization, simply drag and drop the desired visualization onto the canvas. 2. Connect the visualization to the appropriate data source by selecting the data source and mapping the relevant dimensions and metrics. 3. Customize the chart type, labels, colors, and other properties to best represent your data and insights. Step 6. Using filters and date range controls. 1. Enhance user interactivity by adding filters to your report. Filters allow users to dynamically control which data is displayed. 2. Incorporate the Filter Control component to enable users to select specific data points or categories. 3. Include the Date Range Control component to allow users to adjust the timeframe of the data displayed. Step 7. Creating pages and tabs. 1. Organize your report by adding multiple pages. Each page can focus on different datasets, metrics, or aspects of your analysis. 2. Integrate the Page Tabs element to enable users to switch between pages and explore various sections of your report. Step 8. Adding interactive elements. 1. Increase user engagement by adding clickable elements to your report. 2. Utilize the URL field in your visualizations to link to external websites, internal pages, or additional resources. Step 9. Customizing report interactivity. 1. Configure filter actions to enable cross-filtering between different charts and visualizations based on user selections. 2. Incorporate the Data Controls component to empower users to modify data dimensions or metrics on the fly. Step 10. Adding dynamic text and images. 1. Enhance your report's dynamism by adding dynamic text and images. 2. Link these elements to specific data sources and fields so they automatically update based on user interactions. Step 11. Sharing and collaborating. 1. Click the Share button in the top right corner to grant access to your report. 2. Choose whether to provide view-only or editing access to specific individuals or groups. 3. Generate a shareable link or embed the report on a website or intranet. Step 12. Exporting and downloading. 1. To share your report outside of the Data Studio platform, export it as a PDF or CSV file. 2. Click the File menu, then select Download, and choose your preferred format. Step 13. Data Studio resources. 1. Expand your knowledge by exploring the Google Data Studio Help Center. It offers comprehensive guides, tips, and best practices. 2. Consider enrolling in online courses or participating in forums to further enhance your expertise and skills. By following this comprehensive guide, beginners can confidently leverage Google Data Studio to create interactive and visually appealing reports. Whether you're analyzing marketing campaigns, website data, or any other dataset, Data Studio empowers you to communicate insights effectively and make data-driven decisions.